Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing what campaign monitor needs to send, an active account, and a clean list. First, verify your sender email so deliveries aren't blocked. Next, import a CSV with email and at least one custom field, because segmentation relies on data. Once done, set your default from name and reply to. This improves open rates and reduces spam risk. Make sure unsubscribe is visible. Campaign Monitor enforces it, so your campaigns remain compliant and deliverable. Now design and target in parallel. Use a responsive template and apply your brand styles. This saves time and keeps consistency across clients and devices. Meanwhile, create precise segments using custom fields or recent engagement. This improves relevance and CTR. Then set automation. A welcome series, nurture flows, or date-based triggers, automation preserves timing and scales personalization. As you build, preview both desktop and mobile, and send test emails to check dynamic content and merge tags before you schedule live sends. Finally, schedule and watch performance closely. Choose send windows per time zone or a /b test hours to find peak engagement. This raises open rates. Once live, monitor opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribe rates in reports so you can act fast. If deliverability drops, check bounces and suppression lists, remove hard bounces, and re-authenticate DKIM and SBF. These steps restore reputation. If things still fail, pause sends, export problem addresses, and run a re-engagement or remove stale contacts to protect your sender score.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.